Welcome to the Excel Chart Lab, your shortcut to smarter market analysis using Excel. Let's turn data into insights and charts into power. The title of tonight's video is, this Excel trick pulls every stock data automatically. Before we get started, of course, disclaimer is this. This Excel tutorial video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial investment or trading advice. Now to start out this evening, go over to tradingview.com, get a free account, come up here to the hamburger menu, products, screeners, stocks, and up here's our drop down filters. We're going to start with analyst rating, strong buys, price, 10 or below. We're down to 671. Market cap, 2 to 10. And this leaves us with 14 stocks. Come up here, this area here, and get rid of your filters. Now on Windows, I'm going to use the print screen button. However you go about taking a print screen, that's what we're going to do. You're going to come over here, print screen. Come all the way down to Nuvation Bio. Take a second print screen from all the rest. Alright, then come over to your favorite. I'm using ChatGPT because I know it works, but use your favorite AI. Over here, upload some photos. Okay. Stock info. Sheet for stock So this should create us a spreadsheet with one sheet for each stock, and each sheet should have its own let's go year to date. Let's just do open and close for the time being. Let's see, workbook structure confirmation. Option 1, one sheet per stock, your request. Sheet name ticker, yes. One master sheet listing all tickers. Separate sheets. Hey, let's go for option B. See what happens. Let's go with option 1. hopefully it's gonna create the sheet. Yes, I would like that very much. Now, this could be not a very short video this evening, but it's very powerful. Okay. Let's take a deep breath. Click the down button. Minimize this. So there's the stocks and the stock names. Now you notice this is it's a little editing. Okay. The reason we get the error is because this little funky little that's one. We'll look at a couple of them just to help you get the point. I don't know if that at sign is just supposed to be like a like a comment function or something like that. If it's actually supposed to do something. All right. I'll do 3. But what you notice is it's created all of the individual sheets with the stock command for us. Okay. Okay. So let's go over here. I'll give you 2 moving averages. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, this wasn't what we were expecting, was it? I'll just mention that this is daily or weekly numbers. There should be headers. Okay, we're going to do something a little funky. We're going to get rid of this. This way it only gives us price, okay? Now just for the fun of it, because I like you guys, I'm going to put a 1 in there. Now we got weekly numbers, okay? Just so you can see that. All right, let's come back over here now. Let's do our first let's come down here. Let's come over here. Let's do a then let's adjust the range to 6. All right. There you have your first stock. What's this stock called? There you have it. Let's take a look at one weekly set. Same thing. Well, of course, this is a little different. Why? Because it is weekly and not daily. But we're still going to do a let's do something a little funky. And because you don't have that many dates to work with, right? So come down here, go use the alright. I come back up here and let's just drop this in here for you. Now this is kind of interesting plot. I don't know if it's actually useful or not, but it's interesting nonetheless. Let's make this a little bigger. And we come over here to say, I don't know, 3.5 maybe. That's interesting. It's not, let's go with this. This is interesting. It's not particularly useful, but it is interesting. Okay, so let's leave that right there then. And let's come back over here again, get this plot in here, and then there you have it. Very quickly, how to do the little lightweight website scraping to get some stock data and stock symbols, and then how to use ChatGPT to create a spreadsheet, an complete Excel sheet for us, including one sheet for each stock and the stock history function to go along with that stock. Okay, and then we went into a very quick couple moving averages. Okay. Just as a reminder, this over here was weekly data, okay? And of course, as always, before that you go, do me a big favor, click that subscribe button for me, click the like button for me, click the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content, and be sure to share the video with one of your friends this week.